Hello everyone, I'm John Jr., creator of the YouTube channel, John Jr.'s Natural Saltwater Aquarium. Today I'm doing a water change on my 180-gallon saltwater aquarium using C90 sea salts. The one thing that's remarkable about C90 is that C90 is 100% organic, 100% natural. It is not modified, it's not altered, and it's not refined in any way. It comes out of the Sea of Cortez when C90 is harvested, stays in that salt. So once they naturally dried out with the sun, they package it up and they ship it. I took the advice from Sea Agri by allowing my salt to mix overnight and letting the salt settle down into the water, and also allowing all the calcium carbonate participants to settle at the bottom. So far, I have no cloudiness in the water. Everything is looking crystal clear, and the fish and the corals are doing great. Now please enjoy the footage as I will do a water change on my 180-gallon saltwater aquarium with the C90. Thank you. This saltwater aquarium has been running for over a month on C90, and from everything I can see within the month, things have really thrived. I can say that I'm very, very happy to be using C90, which is why this is a salt that I choose to stick with, because it's 100% all natural. If I need to add any additives to it, I can always just dose it into the tank. Now, in adding C90 to my reef tank here, you probably noticed the water clouded up just a little bit, but that's perfectly normal, because what's inside of this water here is calcium carbonate, and that naturally precipitates out of seawater when the sun naturally dries it out. But calcium carbonate is also what makes up aragonite and also the sand in our tank as well. So really, we're kind of adding calcium to the tank, and over time, the calcium will dissolve, and I believe will become pretty beneficial for the corals and such inside of the tank and these calcium. Well, I want to thank you all for seeing my video here of me doing a 15-gallon water change on my 180-gallon reef tank. Please join me in a month when I will do another 15 to 20-gallon water change using C90. I want to give a special shout out to Sea Agri for providing me with the salts needed to be able to set my 180-gallon aquarium. And also, I choose to use my tank as pretty much as a guinea pig to test out C90 and see how well fish and corals react to natural sea salt versus synthetic salts bought in local fish stores. Now, I'm not saying that the synthetic salts are bad. Actually, that's what I started with when I first started my 125-gallon aquarium. Synthetic salts are good, but as a Bible-believing Christian, I believe that God made the heavens and the earth, the sea, and all of the animals in it. And I believe that God also made seawater. And there's one thing about mankind is that we cannot recreate what God created perfectly, and that is seawater also. I wanted to say thank you all for coming to watch my video, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and please like and subscribe to my videos as well. If you have any questions or anything you'd like to know about with C90, or anything of how I set up my 180-gallon aquarium, and also the equipment that I use to keep my aquarium going, because I like to keep things simple, please let me know in the comments below. I do appreciate your time and your help and everything, and I want to say God bless you all, take care, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.